Good evening, Bridgewater families. This is Mrs. Antoine coming to you here. Week two has gone really well. So happy to see everyone here getting into the routines and things are starting to become normal again, which is so nice after being out of school for 6 months. Really happy to see the kids becoming normal kids again. So yeah, that's been really welcoming. The morning routine with parents dropping off has gone very well. It's great to see all of you in the morning. You're so happy in the morning. It's really fun being out there and helping you with your children out front. I really enjoyed that. Didn't realize how much I was truly going to enjoy that, but I truly do. Mr. Danielson and Mr. Bernhardt and I are out there in the morning helping kids get out of the cars and greeting people in the morning. So that's been really fun. The only thing I would ask in the morning is adhering to those time frames. So if students are having breakfast in the morning, they can be dropped off at 8 o'clock. If they're not having breakfast, it's 8:10. And some of you are trying to sneak up on that little time quite a bit there. And I understand, I truly get it. My thing is I've got to keep those large groups of students from forming out there. And so that's why the 8:10. So if you can help me with that, that would be greatly appreciated. Again, really love seeing you there. So if you could just help me with those two time frames. Otherwise, we're moving along, and people who are here on time, your kids are not late at all, not tardy for class. And I know that was a big concern at the beginning, that by coming through the line that your child would be tardy. We're trying to make sure that we have at least 10 cars at a time that are unloading. So don't wait till you get to that front door to unload. If you're up where I'm telling you like this, that means unload your child. If I'm waving my arm like this, it means come on up. Yes, my arm hurt that first week, and I was wondering, why is my arm so sore? Yeah, it's from directing traffic, but that works. In the afternoon, again, going really well. We've got a long line some days, especially when it's raining, and I understand. We will get you through as quickly as possible. We are trying to leave those barricades open in the afternoon so that you can get through out to the 246, and especially if you live in Faribault or Bridgewater Heights, places like that, trying to get you in and out as quickly as possible without holding up traffic. So this coming Friday, we have Picture Day. Students brought home their picture packets, and so you can make sure you get that one completed. You can go online and do that. There's some information in the Friday update on that. Also today, we sent home yearbooks. So students came home with yearbooks. They had an envelope. Their name was on that. Name was on that. And then their yearbook was inside of that. Some of the yearbooks that I did send home were for the sixth graders, so sixth grade siblings. I sent those yearbooks home with our younger siblings. So if you received that home, that's why that came home together. The other students who are in sixth grade, they will receive theirs. I will get those up to the middle school. The students who are in Portage, you will also receive yours, and we will contact families so that we can get those all taken care of. And another announcement for Picture Day, there is a time from 3:30 to 4:30 for Portage families. So if you know anyone who is in the Portage program and they are potential Bridgewater families, that picture time is 3:30 to 4:30 in the afternoon. Otherwise, pictures will be taken during the school day. Bottom line, we had a great week this week. Looking forward to next week again. Things are going very well, but they only go well because we work together. And that's the big thing, working together. So I thank you very much, and I hope you have a fantastic weekend. Thanks. Bye-bye.